In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new row in Google Sheets for every new folder you add to your Google Drive. This simple tutorial will guide you step by step, ensuring that you can manage your files and data efficiently. Perfect if you frequently create new folders and need a systematic way to log them into a spreadsheet. Let's start by heading over to Google Drive. Open your preferred web browser and type in drive.google.com to be directed to the Google Drive homepage. If you're not already logged in, you might need to enter your Google account credentials. Once you're in, you'll see all your files and folders neatly organized. Next, locate the folder you want to associate with your Google Sheets. If you have a crowded drive, use the search functionality at the top to quickly jump to your desired folder. Finding it might take a couple of seconds, but it's worth ensuring you have the correct one before proceeding. Once you have the folder selected, it's time to look for the Google Sheet where you want this information recorded. If you've already linked the folder to a specific sheet, open that document. For those doing this for the first time, you might need to create a new Google Sheet to start organizing your folder data efficiently. When the spreadsheet opens, turn your attention to the toolbar at the top of your screen. Look for the Insert option, which allows you to add new elements to your spreadsheet. Click on Insert and you'll see a drop-down menu listing various options. Following that, hover your mouse over Rows and a sub-menu will appear. This is where you decide whether to insert a new row above or below the selected cell. Consider where the new information will fit best. It's usually a matter of preference, but keeping a consistent method will help you maintain clarity in your data logs. So choose either insert one row above or insert one row below, depending on your needs. And there you have it. A new row is added to your Google Sheet, ready for you to start typing in relevant details about your newly created Google Drive folder. This might include the folder name, creation date, or any other specifics you like to track. This straightforward method ensures you can keep a clear and organized log of all your folders, streamlining your workflow and preventing lost data. Whether you manage files for work, school, or personal use, maintaining a systematic approach is key to efficiency. Thanks for following along with this tutorial. I hope you find these tips useful for staying organized and on top of your digital files. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more handy tech tips.